Hi friends, another short and sweet tutorial today. As you are holding your crochet, you can see your stitches from the top. Each stitches has 2 strands, one in front and one at the back. To do single crochet, you will be inserting your hook into both the front and back stitch. Insert your hook to both the front and the back loop of the stitch. You will currently have 3 strands on your hook. Yarn over, pull 2 strands through, yarn over again, and pull through the remaining stitches. You have now completed your first single crochet. Let's do a couple more. Insert your hook to both front and the back stitch, yarn over, pull 2 strands through, yarn over again, and pull through the remaining stitches. Let's do one more. Please give me a like and let me know if you find this tutorial helpful. Take care, my loves. Until next time.